Good morning, guys. Long time no see here in a vlog capacity. It is currently Wednesday morning. Slight madness in our kitchen. It's absolutely pandemonium in here, but I'm going to London today, so I thought I would vlog. I look a bit rubbish, no makeup on yet. I'm hoping I'm going to put some makeup on when we get there. I have another cold again as well, so I look like Rudolph's red-nosed reindeer. Mike's in his swimming trunks.
Hello.
Because he is off to his first physio swimming lesson today, and little Riv over here is currently creating. Are you doing drawing? Yeah, she's creating a card. I did this last night for my friend Kelly, who's literally just finished her exams, and yeah, that's good, Riv, good colouring on there. She's gone back to uni. My best mate Kelly, she's gone back to uni after, oh my god, hilarious, after working for probably, what, 10 years? Yeah. And is fulfilling her dream of being a physio. She's just finished her first exam. So we've made her a card. Well, I've made the card, Bugsy's decorating. Good work, Bugs. So anyway, we're going to London to kind of have a nice day out. She's River's godmother, unofficial godmother, because River's not actually christened, but we are going out and taking Riv to the Natural History Museum, my favourite place ever, and out for lunch and just having like a fun day, because she's literally been studying for the last few weeks. So yes, let's do breakfast.
Can I point out something?
What?
Last night I watched the new Top Gear.
Did you? This is like the worst lighting ever. Let's go over here.
Because I was laughing so much that as you were sleeping on my shoulders, I was chuckling and giggling. You were like, oh.
I don't remember that.
It was really funny.
Riv's brekkie this morning. She's got some pear, orange, Weetabix, nearly tripped over a toy, and some yogurt. And whilst I've been doing that, what have you been doing? Drawing on the kitchen table. Good effort, Riv. Good effort. I'll give that a scrub down later. Breakfast. The finished article. It's a masterpiece. So I've literally just packed up the back of the car. Looks a little bit different when you are going to London for the day with a baby. My bag, River's bag, Buggy, River's jacket, which we've got a little bit of a matching thing going on today with her denim jacket, my denim jacket. She's got leopardy leggings on as well. And then I've also got today's HelloFresh. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. As you guys know, I work with them a lot. Love them. So what is on the menu tonight? Cheesy fish and potato gratin. We basically can't go out when we're in London for the night because obviously River's with us, so she will be asleep in the car. So I just literally grabbed the bag and chucked it into my overnight bag, ready to go because I am cooking tonight. Hey guys, so we made it to London. I found Kelly. We're having celebratory lunch right now with toys on the table, obviously, and a glass of rosé. Riv is here eating a really interesting concoction of some of my kimchi bowl, some mac and cheese. We're at a pharmacy, so it's all vegan and delicious and gorgeous, and she is enjoying herself. So we're currently walking through the park, and we're supposed to be on our way to the Natural History Museum, but this one has decided that she wants to walk, so it's taking us a very long time to get there. We might just end up being in the park, and it's raining. I mean, whatever floats your boat, Riv. I want to see the dinosaurs, but maybe not. See if we get there in time. These two are just too much for me. River is having the best day ever. So here we are at one of my most favourite spots in London, and it's now chucking it down with rain, and Riv is pretty much asleep in her buggy. Great timing. Running wild with her vest hanging out, but enjoying the view. It's pretty cool. Hey Bugs, should we go this way? Guys, we're back at the flat now. Kelly is chilling on the sofa with River, who's playing with her toys. Had a bit of an outfit change just now because we got back to the flat, lay down on the bed. Riv had done a ginormous wee in her nappy, so I took her nappy off, and then she was still super sleepy. She had her nap really late today because she like really got over excited about being at the museum. She didn't go down to sleep until 5, which is normally when she wakes up from her afternoon nap. So she was still really tired and was being really cuddly and sweet, and she was literally like lying on top of me, cuddling, and peed all over me. I thought she didn't have any pee left in her because the nappy was so full, but she did. So I'm now in a Juicy Couture velour tracksuit that I got sent by the Juicy perfume guys last year. Love it, like throwing right back to, I don't know, like 2004 or something. So I'm about to get my cook on, basically in my PJs. These guys are chilling on the sofa, Riv's being a monkey. Let's see what we're cooking tonight. I put it in the fridge. Also completely forgot that this was in my fridge. Let's not show that to River. My bag of stuff. So this is what we have got going on tonight. Cheesy fish, excuse me noisy little monkey down there. Cheesy fish and potato gratin. I've actually had this one before and it is super delicious and it's probably one of my favourite ones I've had. 35 minutes, let's do it. So this is the finished dinner tonight, looking tasty. We've got a mini portion for Riv. She's just about stayed awake in time, but looking good. And if you guys haven't tried HelloFresh before and you haven't seen me speak about it, you probably have by now watching this. It's basically a meal kit delivery service. So each week I get 3 of those bags and I do not have to worry about thinking about what to cook, buying the ingredients, or like basically being organized, which is amazing if you have a busy lifestyle. If you want to try it out, all you have to do is head over to the HelloFresh site and I have a discount code as per usual. It's this time it's £10 off your first 4 boxes. So you get a box a week, so it's £10 off each week for your first 4 weeks using the code COOKFRESHFLEUR. Yeah, and I would recommend it. We've used it for I think over a year now. Yeah, and it's just a godsend if you are living a bit of a hectic lifestyle. So yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my meal now and hope that River doesn't try on Fleur because it's not on a plastic plate as her meals usually are. So yeah, supervision required. Morning guys, it's actually a couple of days later now. I wanted to make this vlog a 2-day vlog, but I ended up getting ill again. If you guys, I feel like I haven't really shared much of it because I haven't really vlogged, but if you follow me on Instagram, I've basically like just caught bug after bug after bug in the past couple of months. And please don't comment being like, you're always ill, because I always get comments like that when I'm ill and I'm like, I know, and it sucks. I take vitamins, I eat well, I look after myself. I think the main reason behind like this recent spate of like being ill continually basically is partly River. She definitely catches the bugs at nursery and then gives them to me, but also just being run down. Like Mike has been on crutches for the last nearly 2 months. He's off it now, so things are getting a bit better and he can kind of help with stuff more now. But massive hats off to any single parents out there, because I genuinely don't know how you do it. Yes, it's just hard not having Mike be able to do normal things. Like he always walks the dogs in the morning and things like that, and he hasn't been able to do that. So, or do any of the getting up early with Riv, or overnight kind of, you know, if she wakes in the night and stuff, which he can do now. So things are gonna get better, I'm determined. But I got ill again, so I've had a little bit of a break. But today, I am at Dyson HQ. They are launching and announcing on the same day something new. I haven't been able to say what it is. I haven't been able to know what it is. Like, I don't know yet. And it's all very top secret. I've had to sign NDAs and stuff, and like, we don't know what it is yet. But I'm really excited. You guys know I'm a big fan of the Air Wrap. And it's something hair related, we know that. But I can't wait to see and hear about it. And I'm actually really excited to be at Dyson HQ in general, because the brand is just super cool. So I'll take you on the little trip today. We're actually staying over. I drove down, everyone else got the train, but actually it takes me the same amount of time to get here as it does to get to London, and then I would have had to come out here, which is another 2 hours. So I've been in the car for 2 hours, and the rain, I'm not kidding, like you can't see it now, but it's been intense. It was super intense the whole way. This is nearly July. What is going on? We have arrived at Dyson HQ, very high-tech looking, and there is a plane in the car park. I've also been given these super sexy steel toe cap boots and a lab coat to wear. Looking good. So here's a little microscopic look at a single piece of hair over 4 years. So this is the root, 2 years of growth, 4 years of growth. So this room is where they turn the computer images into real prototypes, first prototypes, and it's massive. No idea what it's making. So this is the room where they do all the sound testing. So it's like a recording studio. All for this little bad boy. Hence, it's not very loud. Guys, we're not at the Dyson factory. In fact, it's not factory, it's the lab anymore. We've come to a hotel nearby called Time Hotel. It's stunning, and they put on this event to show us the new attachments for the Supersonic. That is what we're here for. There's 2 new attachments, and they've actually upgraded the other attachments. You guys will know I've used the Dyson Supersonic since it launched, and I love it. So I'm really excited for these, one of which I think I'll use all the time. So I'm going to show you what they are and how they work, basically. And then I'm probably going to go and have a little drink. Got my own little station, guys. Hello. I busted you loose. Busted. So guys, the actual unit itself hasn't changed. So if you already have one of these, then it completely hasn't changed. But what they have done is redesign the diffuser. So the diffuser that is coming in the new kits, which are available on Dyson now, but they won't be in retailers for about a month. So like, be warned on that front. Like, if you buy one in John Lewis like tomorrow, it'll probably be the old one. This is still the same, which is like the smoothing nozzle thing. Not using the official names, but you know, you get what I mean. But what they have done is that they've added 3 new tools. This one is basically a refined version of that one. So if you put them next to each other, it's a lot thinner, a lot more like directed if you want to like do a straight blow dry. But cool, but not revolutionary. These 2 are where it's at in terms of newness. Basically, they have created this little ring that fits onto the front, like that. And what that does, it slightly diffuses the air so that it's not so hot on your scalp. If any of you guys have sensitive scalps or fine hair and you find that like hair dryers kind of burn at your scalp, this kind of almost eliminates that. You can hold it pretty much against your scalp. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, but it is a lot less heat on your scalp. And then they've also done a wide tooth comb, which is targeted for mainly for curly hair, like type 4 coily afro hair. Or the way I would use this, because obviously my hair is not super curly, it actually allows you to get right in at the roots and dry the roots really well. So if you have a problem with that and the rest of your hair tends to dry before that, this would be awesome. These 2 are £30 each, so if you already have the Supersonic, you can buy these on the Dyson website. They'll be coming to retailers soon, I think, as well. But you can buy them separately, and then they won't be included in the new pack, but these 2 and the updated diffuser will be in the Supersonics in the next month or so, or on Dyson now, depends how much you want it. But yeah, very excited, especially for this one. Oh my goodness, guys, we've just checked in to the hotel. I've just checked into my room, and I genuinely don't think I've ever stayed in a room this beautiful in my entire life. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm gonna give you a little room tour because this is just goals, house goals. I'm like, I want to paint everything pink in my whole house. Let's start at the beginning. This is when you come through the door. You actually walk into the bathroom. I mean, it's perfect. It's like I've walked into a dream. The sink. There's a round table in the middle because there's just so much space. I'm guessing that's the toilet. The shower is the shower of dreams. Beautiful chandelier, wardrobe, which I won't need because I'm only here till tomorrow morning, but this is the bedroom. Stunning. Just beautiful. This is giving me so many interiors inspiration. And out of the windows, gorgeous. Check out this beautiful setting for dinner with Dyson. This is the area that we were in earlier for hairstyling. They've completely transformed it. It's like a wedding. Good morning, guys. It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer here, reporting for duty. I just blew my nose and blew off all my makeup. My makeup looked really nice before, and now I've got a bright red nose. Oh well. It's reality for you. I am getting ready. I had such a nice evening last night. I didn't vlog too much because we were basically just having dinner. Had a lovely dinner, and now getting ready to check out of the most beautiful pink room in the whole world. And I dressed to match the room today. How cute is this little mirror as well? This dress is from a brand called Paloma Blue. I'm not entirely sure what's going on with the lighting. There we go, that's better. It's a wrap dress with frilly sleeves, which are very annoying when you're trying to eat something and you're dipping it in, but they look pretty. And it's got frills here as well. I got this in the sale on Net-a-Porter last summer. I've worn it loads. I love it. It's one of my favourite dresses. And my trainers are my golden goose that I got for Christmas from Mike. And that's my outfit. I have been wearing my vintage Levi's denim jacket because it's really not very warm outside. It's better than yesterday though because it's not raining. This is the view I woke up to this morning. And just packing up all my stuff, and I'm gonna head home to see my little bug who I FaceTimed this morning with Mike, and she was on hilarious form. I can't wait to see her and give her a squish. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little adventure in the Cotswolds and London. Now I look really shiny because I'm under a spotlight. Oh my god, I feel like the last couple of weeks have just been sent to test me, but there we go guys. Yeah, I will see you very soon. Oh, also wanted to show you these. This is not sponsored, but I have done a like paid collaboration for this new jewelry collection on my Instagram, but not on here. I just am mentioning it because I love it. Monica Vinader, you guys know I freaking love Monica Vinader, but she's just released the necklace and the earring version of the Alta bracelet. This is the Alta bracelet, the one with the big links that she released. I mean, I told you about these frilly sleeves. Here we go, that's a better look. So this is the Alta bracelet that she released. Was it last year or the year before? Either way, I've had it for a while. I wear it all the time and love it. It's like kind of chunky, but still quite girly at the same time. I really like it. So they've just released the necklace version, which looks like this. Not my knotty hair. Can you see? Can you see? Come on, focus. And they actually sell a separate like diamond link. This is borrowed. This is actually not mine. Sad times. I love it. And the earring. So the necklace is nice. Like, please ignore my Rudolph nose. I've already packed my makeup, so I was like, oh. But the earrings are so lovely. I love them so much. That's the diamond single link one. And you can also get them with like double links, so they become dangly. Love them. And in case you didn't know, Monica Vinader have actually just launched single earrings, which they haven't done until now, and obviously is like a really big thing at the moment. I'm gonna go because I can't face the screen and looking at myself with my Rudolph nose, but I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye.